L4, L5.
L4, 5, yeah, same area. There. Okay, there we go. Okay, got one more right here. Boy, you're being tough on me today.
I know.
There we go.
That is very nice.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one.
Oh, God.
Feel a little taller now?
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder where your left big ear. There you go. Better. Better. Now left ear to left shoulder where your right big toe. Much better. Wow. That was what I wanted.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Let's go right here. Good.
Whoa! Wow, 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 wow. Ooh. That was a lot. Oh my God.
A little more than you thought it was going to be?
No, I've seen it on videos. Oh.
You're not going to be as relaxed in this way, I can tell.
I'm trying.
Good. Do the best you can, okay? Good. You're doing great here. Good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, awful.
Awful. Well, I guess she's being truthful. Definitely truthful.
Safer with your ears now. Okay. Just a nice deep breath. There you go. Just like that. See, people think that somebody your size, I'm going to just pull your head off. That's what they all want to see. I see, you're going to be a crack addict's favorite. There you go. Good job. We're going to work our way up. Okay. There you go. That's it. I knew I had another one. Yes, ma'am.
No, the noise isn't your bones rubbing together. It's nitrogen gas releasing from the joint. So breath in. In out. Shoulders relax. Beautiful. How do we do?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Doing good?
Yeah, that felt amazing.
Amazing. We're going to breathe again. And out. Shoulders relaxed.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
That was big.
That was crazy.
Alright, so hips relaxed. Now for your lower back, we're going to have you on your right side facing me. You're going to put your hands like this. And then I'm going to hold you here so you don't roll off the table.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to do is contact your lower lumbar vertebrae with this hand. And then the force comes between the hips, so I'm going to lean over you a little bit. Okay? So big breath in. Hips relax, just like that. Shoulders relax.
Oh my God.
How do you do?
That's crazy.
It's wild, right?
Yeah.
It's been stuck for a long time.
Yeah.
I'm going to go over this. And yeah, right? Some of the knee muscles. Hips relaxed. Breath in again. Watching out for Nala. There we go. Drop the hips a little bit. Shoulders relaxed.
Oh my God.
Wow. That's big, right?
Yeah,
Now
super
we
big.
lay on our back, please. Well, so this one's a little louder because it's closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. Shoulders relax. You did okay there?
Yeah.
Breathe in. You notice it's tighter there than anywhere else in the spine? Yeah, remember how out of alignment the neck is?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose and then out through your mouth. And then let your shoulders relax, and I'm going to follow your breath down. And then when we get to the end of your breath, I'll kind of give a little push like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, and so just try to leave your shoulders soft here. Let this go, okay? This is not going to be painful at all. As a matter of fact, it's going to feel good. So, Let's do a nice gentle breath in through your nose, and then out through your mouth. Good, and just kind of sink in here. How's that pressure, okay?
Good, yeah.
Okay, we're going to do this one here now. Same thing, nice soft breath in and out. Let your shoulders relax. Good. Transition segment all the way down here. So this time, keep your shoulders soft and take a long breath in through your nose, all the way as far in as you can go. Good. And out. So nice and gentle here. Take a soft breath in and out. Good. Just let this come down. And then you're back to the side now. Bottom leg straight. All right. Nice gentle breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth, and let this go here. That's good.
Oh my God.
How's that?
Good.
Same thing, gentle. Let your head drop in, just kind of sink in. Can you do that? That's good. And just keep letting it go. Let it go. Let your head drop. Good, just like that. All right, so nice and gentle. We'll kind of bring you over to the side. Let your shoulders drop. Just kind of sink in here. Just let it go. And then let it go. Let your head drop. Good. One more time. Let it go. You're holding on just a little bit. So it's kind of like this, right? Like let me see how you're helping me.
Yeah.
Let me down. And then drop. Right. Pick it up. No, you're helping. Let it go. Good. Drop. So you have like that. Drop.
Okay.
And so just keep thinking about this. Let it go. Drop. Drop. And then drop in. Just let it go. Drop. That's perfect.
Good.
Yeah. Mother F word.
Wow, already starting to go. Oh, good.
Yeah. You're not joking.
The Astros are playing today. Nope. Double dinger time.
Lord.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Should have felt that second one all the way down.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to do a double dinger on you because you resisted on that first one.
Oh.
That would be the title of your video. Double dinger for North Carolina man. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
You can crack that his favorite too.
Good.
Wow. Lord.
Yes.
Ooh. Yeah, I felt it when you were getting me in position. It popped.
That popped, right? What did I tell you about that pop yesterday when it happens?
I need to stop self-adjusting because
Exactly.
I'm horrible at it.
Oh yeah, that would work because we have you in at 8:30
Whoa. Good. That was powerful. Man.
The shoulders relax, just sink in. Okay, let's do that again. Here, deep breath in. Out. Good, shoulders sinking in. Shoot. Good, that was perfect. Do the same thing one more time in. And out. Feel your shoulders relax. Take a deep breath in. Lay your back. See where we're going to bring this up. Let this relax. Okay, we're going to bring this down just a little bit. We're going to give this a little stretch. Nice soft breath in and out. Lay your back. Just relax here. That's good. Sink in. Let it sink in. That's good. Right there. Good. Now let it go. Let your shoulders go. Let your hips go. In and out. And we're gonna bring this down. Leg back. Oh, see here, and then we'll just do this a little stretch. Good. Let your hips go. Good. Everything let go. Leg back. Let's adjust this here. We've got C6 at the very bottom. C5 too. Nice and gentle. We're going to bring your head over to this side like this and just give it a little push. Just let it all go. Let your shoulders go. Let your head just relax here. Just kind of sink in. That's good. Good. Let it go. It's just kind of sink in. Good. Just like that. Right from there.
The atlas. Bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. It's going to be quick. Got it. That's it. Head down. I'm gonna hold you. Relax your hands, please. Correct. And that's the one I'm going to adjust back in place, okay? And you can see the little pimple right there. And that we always find correlates to the level of the nerve pressure. Bring your knees up a little bit. Okay, and turn the toes. There. Gotcha. That's it. Done. That's it. That's it. Almost. Almost. Bear with me, okay? Got it. Thank you. First. Right here. Good.
Ooh. Ooh, that felt so good.
And then we're going to go on this top portion right here as well too. Good. We're going to go this way. Just turn here.
Ooh. Oh, that's what I needed.
And I'm going to adjust this right side here first. Good. Just relax. All you just let me do the work. Just close your eyes. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Great.
Good. All right, so I'm going to get this atlas bones, a little bit of a different setup. I have to push this condyle back here and just relax right here. Good. All right, so now I'm just going to open this whole portion up right here. Good. Keep breathing.